What's up, creators? Today I'm showing you how you might be able to get 1 full year of Perplexity Pro for free. No payment, no credit card, just a PayPal account. If you want access to powerful AI search, image generation, code help, multimodal tools, and more, stay tuned. Perplexity recently partnered with PayPal to offer a free 1-year Pro subscription valued at $200 as a promo to eligible users. But there are a few conditions, which I'll walk you through so you don't waste your time. First, you must be new to Perplexity, or you must have never used Perplexity Pro paid or trial. Also, your PayPal account must be in good standing as of September 1st, 2025, or if newly created, remain in good standing for 30 days to become eligible for this offer. Go to Perplexity's website for this promotion. You can find this link in the description too. I wasn't able to find it quickly on the internet, but it's legit. I signed up for it, so it's not a scam. If you have a Perplexity account, then log on. If not, then sign up for one. You can use a Google account if you have one. Next, it will prompt you to connect your PayPal account. Select the yellow PayPal button to connect. It will prompt you to enter a one-time passcode for two-way authentication. After entering it, then you'll see the PayPal interface showing your payment methods. Choose your preferred payment method and click Agree and Pay in the bottom. Don't worry, it won't charge you money. It will quickly check your qualifications. If you satisfy the PayPal requirement, then it will give you the 12-month Perplexity Pro free offer. Notice it shows the next charge date is a year away. Click Accept Offer and continue. Follow the instructions and go back to the Perplexity interface. You'll see the Perplexity Pro showing in your account. Now, I'd highly recommend this last step to prevent your PayPal account from being charged when your yearly subscription ends next year. Right now, you need to go to your Perplexity account's all settings, select Manage Subscriptions, and then click Cancel Subscription. Don't worry, it won't cancel your current 1-year free subscription because it bills annually. So if you cancel today, it cancels your next subscription. Many users report this trick works if done correctly. With Perplexity Pro, you get access to top AI models, extended searches, generate images, file uploads, advanced summarization, multimodal tools, and more, all without spending any money. This is a limited time promotion. You have to claim it before December 31st, 2025. Also, if you've ever had a paid or trial subscription, you likely won't qualify. So treat this as a first-come, first-served promo. If this worked for you, let me know in the comments. If not, maybe it's just not available in your region yet. Either way, I'll keep tracking Perplexity and other AI tool deals and post updates. If you want more how-to guides or AI tool reviews, hit subscribe and ring the bell. See you next time.